Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube maybe.
Or just like.
He's behind us.
Okay, now I'm sorry I was a bit after we talked to the girls so fast.
Ahmed, do you remember the guy you met here?
Yeah.
You remember him?
Well,
He's wearing what? Let's go this way, guys.
oh yeah. Hey Dad.
Habibi.
Hey Dad. Hey Dad. Next year I'm going. Next year I'm going to the slide,
Okay.
and it's gonna be pretty fun.
Yeah.
Well, this is a cool slide. Yeah, this is a cool slide.
No, Baba, we're gonna go to the beach, Habibi.
But we're not gonna swim.
Let's see what's going on here, guys.
One more time, that is well deserved. Got to work out in here on a Saturday. Moving on to RX Male. In third place from CrossFit Hyde Park. Loud and proud for Travis Groves. Gotta stay hydrated, baby.